What's up, guys? I'm back again. I say what? Okay. I need a theme song or something. But anyway, today we're going to do another Dollar Tree DIY. Dollar Tree DIY. Using a Dollar Tree backpack. I'm going to have my oldie but a goodie glue gun, Dollar Tree yarn, a plastic top from like, you know how you buy them cakes and all that stuff. Just make sure it's a little thick, y'all. Thick, 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 thick. Hey, oh, a pencil, pen, what have you. A piece of paper and some scissors. Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, guys, today we're going to be putting or trying to design our backpack with my name. Now, y'all can make any design you want, but whatever design you want, first sketch it out on your piece of paper. And then we're going to take the lid of your choice, plastic lid. Make sure it's thick, guys, thick. And then we're going to use the hot glue gun with our yarn. And we're going to trace our design over the plastic. So we're going to do the hot glue, trace it, and then we're going to just lay the yarn where the hot glue is. How easy is that, guys? Now, y'all already know this is crafty DIY decor, trial and error. So it sounds like a good idea, but is it actually going to be a good idea? Stay around. Let's find out together. All right, glue gun is ready. We're going to put our plastic over our design. And then I'm going to have the glue gun. Now, you already know I'm not going to be able to film because I don't have my tripod ready, okay? So, after I do the outline with the glue, then I'll come back. Okay, guys, this is what I got so far. A little tip that I have not done and did not do is maybe you want to tape down your plastic to your paper or secure it a little better so it won't keep moving around. I think it might be a little easier, but this is what I got so far. So let me finish and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and say it. This is going to be bootleg a little bit. Because I was like, how the heck am I going to get this off? So what I'm coming across that all I need to do is still using my glue gun. Oh, snap. Apply a little heat behind it. Not that much, y'all. Make sure you're moving it like that. And it's releasing it from the back. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. Let me show y'all that how. See, it's already detaching from it by just doing that. So I'm going to just keep doing that. Look, it's coming off already. And be real careful, y'all. Just take your time. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I was able to remove it. And it still looks in one piece. And I think it's so cute. Ooh. So all I'm going to do is reheat the glue that's already on it. And stick it on the backpack. That easy, guys. But look how cute that is. Y'all, this is not as hard. It's one of those, I'll say a medium project. But make sure you get enough glue on all the letters or whatever your design is so it can have a stiff enough backing. And once you get it started, if you use that heat process, what I just showed you, it should peel off. Or you could take like a maybe an X-Acto knife to get behind the glue and to lift it up. So those would be my two choices. And there you have it, guys. I think it turned out so cute. Now, y'all, this is not going to be a permanent fixture because this material is, what is it called? Nylon? I don't know, but y'all already know it's like more of a plastic feel. So for me, this is going to just be either a more decorative piece, or if I want it to be more secure, maybe like add a stitch. But I don't know how well that would do with this type of material. But you can play around with it. And to me, it's this kind of backpack is more for like toddlers. You know, if they big brothers or sisters is going to school, but it's not their time, you can make them something cute. And it's just a Dollar Tree, you know, $1 backpack, so they could go around think they going to school or something. But I just want to show you different ways. Y'all can also apply this same method to a real backpack, so you can apply a stitch. But for now, this is our Dollar Tree DIY. What it do? And for me, it is enough. So I'll just show y'all a closer look. Like, it's on there, but you already know you can peel it off. Almost like a sticker. Treat it like a sticker, guys. A sticker. But I think it turned out real cute. And I would try this method again. You know, look, the plastic is still holding up. So that's why I said make sure you get a thick plastic. So it's still holding up there. I could actually do probably another design using that same plastic. And I'm going to mess around with it, you know, to see how long this actually will last. But y'all, to say it took me less than, what, an hour to create this, I'm cool with it. You know, so it's a cute little goodie bag, like maybe for little birthday parties, a little DIY project kids can play with or whatever, that you can already create their names ahead of time. Meaning the ideas are endless, guys. Just have fun with it. So that's the finish piece. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.